Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix the missing SM bus controller driver for MSI motherboards and laptops. To get started, simply search for system information and open it. From here, click on baseboard product, press Ctrl+C to copy the details. Open your browser and paste these details and hit enter. Now go to the first web page. Click on support. Then go to the driver section. From the drop down, select your Windows operating system. And from all the listed drivers, download the chipset driver. Extract the contents of the file. Now go to the extracted folder. Right click over the setup file and run it as administrator. Click on next, accept the license agreement and click on install. Once done, restart your computer for the changes to take effect. After restart, if you go to device manager, you will see that the missing driver issue is resolved. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.